I will show you how to delete the post on TikTok step by step. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this as can see now, so now let's say I want to repost this video and delete it. So I'll just go ahead and repost the video. Now I reposted this video. So if you want to delete the video that you reposted, so tap on this menu, open up your profile. After you open your profile like this, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this repost section, this two arrow. So under this, as you can see now, here is the video that I just reposted. Now I'll now open the video. So as you can see now, here is the video. If I want to delete the video under the list of the video that I repost on my TikTok account, just tap on this you repost section. So by tapping on this you repost button, so tap on this again, repost it. Tap on this remove, this one remove, tap on it. So as you can see now, it says remove. Now if I tap on this back arrow, so as you can see now, the video has disappeared among the list of the video that I reposted on my TikTok account. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.